Alrighty, so I'm not really the best with money, but I'm not the worst. I don't have much money. It's because I don't have much coming in to invest. I have some coming in and then it goes out on bills I need to pay, but I do invest a little bit. Something I came across recently was Reddit's going to go and launch an IPO next month. Um, I don't really know how that's going to go. I think either two ways with something like this. It's going to either return the meme stocks and people are going to pump and dump it, or they're going to basically do the opposite and they're going to just all put puts and short the thing. Um, Probably both. Probably both and see who wins. They'll fight it out and see who wins. But that's going to be interesting. There's obviously going to be conflict of interest because I think it's going to be Wall Street Bets, which is going to be doing all this, and they're a subreddit on Reddit, obviously, which is kind of crazy. Um, also, some chip stocks that are going pretty crazy. Nvda, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's because I don't really talk to people about this. And then AMD, I have stocks in AMD. I just bought the Nvda. I bought one share at like 680. I think it's at like 780 now, so it actually went up. And it's people are saying it's going to be like another dot-com bubble. I don't know if it is, but it's pretty much the only thing keeping the U.S. economy really going in right now. I think is AI and chip technology. AMD, which I have some shares in, got a bump, which was pretty sick to see. I got in at I think $30 in AMD, but very minimal shares. Like I'm talking like 10 shares here in like a retirement fund because I'm a janitor, right? But still pretty sick to see. I recommended these shares a long time ago when they were at like $70 or $60 to one of my sisters who's fairly well off, a lot more well off than me, and she married a guy that he came from a family who has some money, and I've given her some stock choices a few times. I recommended Shopify to her when it was at like $60, and then I think it peaked at like 1,600 or something. So I mean, I buy little amounts of shares because like I said, I'm a janitor. I don't ever go more than like 20 shares, and well, unless it's like a penny stock and I'm gambling, and then I'll put in like 500 shares or something. But like I've had a decent success rate with this, and I'm always suggesting the ones that turn out to be right to her, and she's always thinking little janitor brother that knows nothing, and thinking the amount of money that she has, the amount of capital that she has, and she could have actually placed some bets, so to speak, because it's all pretty much speculative at this point because all the insider trading and all the shit we know is going on. But she could have made a lot of fucking money, like actual like six figures if she actually listened to little janitor's advice. But people don't want to risk their money. I get that. Kind of annoys me a little bit because I think that's a little brother thing. I think if you're the youngest sibling, you're always going to get annoyed when a older sibling doesn't take you seriously. Anyways, this is just a ramble. I'm saying a couple stocks and saying some shit, but no real purpose to this video other than that. I thought it was interesting. I thought I would report on it onto YouTube. I'm going to be considering going to an HVAC course because apparently HVAC technicians make basically the same as an electrician, and they don't really have to do anything crazy, and the education is a lot faster as well. So might be looking into that. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a ramble, and check out my other videos if you want. Peace out.